Yeah, today concept is environments. Today concept is
Okay.
environment.
Environment. Okay.
Today concept environments. Environments.
Okay.
What do you mean by environment? Environment.
Environment.
It is a
Yes.
mass definition. I will tell you, madam. Environment is nothing
Okay.
but it is a combination of software and hardware. Environment is nothing but it
Okay.
is a combination of
Combination of
software
software
and
and hardware.
hardware.
Hardware. Yes, sir.
For example, in the place of software, I am taking Windows 7.
Okay.
I am installing in one computer.
Okay.
I'm installing in one computer. So
Computer. Yes.
that is called Windows 7 environment. That is called
Okay.
Windows 7.
Windows 7 environment. Yes.
If you have only software, that is not environment. If you have only computer, that is not environment. Okay.
Environment.
It is
Yes.
a combination of software and hardware. Windows 7 we are installing in one computer, then it will become a
Okay.
environment. This is the mass
Yes.
definition, madam. Environment is
Okay.
nothing but it is a combination of software and hardware.
Hardware. Yes, sir.
Yeah, but if it is testing definition, environment is nothing but it is a combination of three layers. Three layers.
Okay.
Environment is
Yes.
nothing but it is a combination of three layers. One is
Yes. Yes.
presentation layer.
Okay.
Second one is business layer.
Okay.
Third one is database layer.
Okay.
There are three layers: presentation layer, business layer, database layer. It is a
Database.
combination of
Yes.
environment is nothing but it is a combination of three
Combination
layers:
of three
presentation
layers.
layer, business
Presentation
layer,
layer, business
database.
layer, and database layer. Yes.
Yes. Next, first of all, there are four types of environments. There are four types of
Four types
environments.
of
One
environment.
is
Okay.
clients, one is standalone environment, stand
Okay.
alone,
Alone environment.
one is standalone environment,
Okay.
or one tier architecture. One
Okay. Entire architecture.
one tier architecture. Or second one, client server environment,
Okay.
or two tier architecture.
Okay. Yes.
Third one, web environment,
Okay.
or three tier architecture.
Yes.
Fourth one, distributed environment.
Okay.
Or entire architecture. Entire
Okay.
architecture.
Entire architecture. Okay.
There are environment is nothing but it is a combination of three layers: presentation layer, business layer, database layer,
Database
and
layer.
there are four
Okay.
types of environments: standalone environment or one tier architecture, client server environment or two tier architecture,
Two-tier
web
architecture.
environment or
And
three tier architecture, distributed
and the
environment or
distributed
entire architecture.
entire architecture. Yes.
First of all, we will discuss about standalone environment.
Okay.
Standalone environment
Environment.
or
Yes.
one tier architecture. First of all, we
Okay.
should know what is the main differences between presentation layer, business layer, and database layer. What is the meaning? So,
Okay.
presentation layer. First of all, we will discuss the presentation layer.
Presentation
I'm
layer.
going to
Yes.
Gmail page, madam. I'm going to Gmail page.
Okay. Yes.
Gmail page. I'm viewing this application. This is the username field.
Okay.
This is the
Okay.
password field.
Yes.
This is the sign in field. Sign
Okay.
in button.
Okay.
Presently I'm viewing. So that is called
Okay.
presentation layer. Present I'm
Yes.
viewing this screen, that is called presentation layer.
Presentation layer. Yes.
After I'm giving some action, I'm performing some action, I'm giving some data into the
Okay.
field, I'm
Yes.
performing some action, that is called
Yes.
business layer.
Okay.
I'm performing
Yes.
actions on the application, so that is called business layer.
Okay.
After giving username and password, I'm clicking on sign in button.
Sign in
So
button.
it will
Yes.
open my home page.
Okay. Okay.
That is database layer. That is database
Okay.
layer.
Database layer. Yes.
Presentation layer is nothing but present. We are viewing the layer, that is
Using
called presentation layer.
presentation layer.
After
Yes.
we are entering some data, that is called business
Data.
layer.
Business
After
layer.
entering
Yes.
data, it is opening, it is invoking in next page, that is database layer. It is a
Yes.
combination of three layers: presentation layer, business layer, and
Okay. Business
database
layer
layer.
and database layer. Yes.
First concept, standalone environment. Standalone
Okay.
environment.
Okay.
Presentation layer, business layer, presentation layer, business layer, and database layer. Three layers will reside
Okay.
only one time.
Okay.
Presentation
Yes.
layer, business layer,
Okay.
database layer will reside
Layer.
only one tile. That's why that is called
Okay.
a standalone environment and
Standalone
one tile
environment.
architecture.
Yes. Okay.
Presentation layer, business layer, database layer. Three layers
Layer.
will reside in only one
Okay.
tile.
Only one
So that's why
entire
that is
environment.
called a
Yes.
presentation layer. For
Presentation layer.
example,
Yes.
best example is Windows Media Player or VLC player. Windows Media Player
Yes.
or
Okay.
VLC player.
VLC
VLC
player.
player.
Yes.
So I'm
Okay.
opening VLC player and I'm adding
Okay.
one new movie and I'm playing. So
Okay.
in the only
Yes.
same window, we are doing three operations.
Okay. Yes.
For
Yes.
example, I'm opening one Windows Media Player. For example, yes, I
Okay.
have VLC player. I'm opening VLC
Okay.
player. Okay,
Yes.
that is presentation layer.
Yes.
I'm adding some
Okay.
movie. Now adding some movie.
Okay.
In the here only, I'm adding some movie.
Okay.
My computer colon. I'm adding movie and that is
Okay.
business layer. After adding movie,
Yes.
I'm playing. So I'm watching
Yes.
movie. So this is
Okay.
database layer. Three layers will
Okay.
reside in only one tier: presentation
One
layer,
layer.
business layer, database layer. Three layers will reside in
Okay.
only one tier. So
Yes.
that's why that is
Okay.
called present
Standalone environment.
standalone environment or
Yes.
one tier architecture.
One tile
Presentation layer,
architecture.
business layer, database layer. Three layers will reside in only one tier. So that's why that is
Okay.
called standalone
Standalone
environment or one
environment.
tier architecture.
One tile architecture. Yes.
Right. Next, next, client server environment.
Okay.
Client server environment. Client to server
Server
environment.
environment. Yes.
Client server environment. Client server
Okay.
environments is nothing but there are two layers. One is two tiers. There are two tiers. One is client,
Okay. Okay.
one is client,
Okay.
other one is server.
Server. Yes.
That's why we are calling a client server environment.
Okay. Yes.
Presentation layer, business layer will reside in one tier. Presentation layer,
Okay.
business layer will reside in
Okay.
one tier. Database
Okay.
layer will reside in other tier.
Okay. Yes.
So this is the client, this is the server. So based on
Okay.
the server capacity,
Okay.
we can connect with number
Yes.
of clients. We can connect with the
Okay.
number of clients. So
Number of clients. Yes.
yeah, this is the presentation layer, business layer will reside in one tier, database layer will reside in other tier.
Study another layer.
Best
Yes.
example for college environment. In the college,
Okay.
in the principal room, we have server. Okay, just
Okay.
through LAN, we will connect the through LAN, we will
Okay.
connect the
Yes.
number of clients to that
Number
particular
of.
server. If we
Okay.
want to
Yes.
access that server, so using that LAN connection, we can access that server in the principal room.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, that is client server environment. Best example is classroom environment.
Okay. Yes.
This is here is no internet connection required, madam. Just if you are
Okay.
just you need to connect with
LAN.
LAN. Okay, through
Yes.
LAN we
Yes.
can access that server. Okay, we can open.
Okay.
Okay, and we can do
Yes.
anything. So that is
Okay.
client server
LAN
environment.
connection. Yes.
Next to web environment.
Web
Next web
environment. Yes.
environment. Next
Okay.
web environment.
Web environment.
Web environment. presentation layer, web environment,
Okay.
presentation layer, business layer,
Okay.
presentation layer will reside in one tier, business layer will
Okay.
reside in
Very
other
good.
tier,
Listen.
and a database layer will reside in other
Very
tier.
good. Study.
So
Another time.
here is
Yes. Okay.
three layers, three tiles.
Okay.
Three layers will
Okay.
be reside in three tiers. So
Three
there is
tires. Okay.
client,
Yes. Okay.
this is client, this is
Okay.
applicant server,
Okay.
this is server.
Data. Okay. Server. Yes.
Okay, presentation layer will reside one tier, business layer will reside other tier, database layer will reside another tier. This is in
Okay.
this web run based example for IRCTC, IRCTC,
Okay.
IRCTC
Yes.
dot. This is
Yes.
Indian Railway Inquiry and
Yes.
register sorry reservation site. So only
Okay.
India people only will use this site, so other than India
Okay.
people will not use. In India we have
Okay.
100 crore people, max we can
Yes.
use the max they can use only 100 crore people. So other than 100 crore
Okay.
people will not use this site. So that's the reason
Okay.
this 100 crore people purpose they will reside one application server. Okay,
Okay.
application servers
Yes.
are only for this 100 crore people. Okay,
Okay. Yes.
so if they have,
Yes.
they can access any at any point of time. They can access at any point of time. So more than
Okay.
enough. So only
Okay.
based on the 100 crore people, they are arranging here application server only for this 100 crore people. Okay.
Okay.
Next,
Yes.
next environment to distributed environment. Best example
Okay.
is
Yes.
ISCTC madam. Just wait. And the
Okay. Yes.
next environment to distributed environment that is similar to web
Okay.
environment. That is similar to
Okay.
web environment. Same
Dependent.
presentation layer, business layer, database layer.
Database. Where? Okay. Okay.
Yes, this is server.
Okay. Server one. Sir.
This is client.
Okay.
Client means presentation layer. This is the
Okay.
business layer.
Yes.
This is also business layer.
Okay.
This is also business layer.
Business layer. Okay.
This is database layer.
Sir. Okay. Database layer. Yes.
This is application server 1 now.
Okay. Yes.
Application server 2.
Server two. Yes.
Application server 3.
Yes.
Best example for Google. Google is a worldwide
Okay.
people they can access at a time they can access. So that's the reason
Yes.
they are introducing extra servers. They are introducing extra servers. Some people they will
Okay.
connect with application server one. Some people they will connect with
Okay.
application server two.
Application
Some
server
people
two.
they will
Yes.
connect with application server three.
Application
So
server
load
three.
is
Yes.
distributing. Load is
Okay.
distributing. Application
Distributed.
performance will be fast. So
Soft.
if it is
Yes.
only application server one, then it is very difficult to. Why? Because it will say
Yeah.
server
Lots of
at a
people.
time if you
Okay.
access any site, so it will be
Okay.
the whenever the load is increasing, application performance is decreased. So that's the
Yes.
reason they are introducing number of
Okay.
servers. They are introducing number of
Okay.
servers. So
Web service.
here
Yes.
here they are using application servers three application servers they are introducing. If it is load
Okay.
increasing, then once again they will introduce one more application server. So this
Okay.
this
Yes.
is entire application. So this is
Okay.
entire application. Okay, here
Entire
is we have
application.
five tires. Here we have five
Okay.
tires. So if
5 times.
it is
Yes.
load is increasing, then once again they will
Okay.
introduce another
They will
server.
application server. Yes.
That's why we can say this is
Okay.
a entire server,
Entire
entire
application. Yes.
application. We can say
Yes.
entire application,
Entire application. Yes.
entire application are distributed. Okay,
Distributors. Yes. Yes, sir.
whenever you are working with any software company, if it is any software company, if it is India, if it is UK, if it is USA, wherever you go, there are two types of applications. One is client
Okay.
server application.
Okay.
One is client server application. Second one is web
Okay.
application. There are two applications.
Okay.
One is client
Client
server
server
application. Second one is web application.
application.
Client
Yes.
server application without contact, without internet connection, we can access. If it is web application, compulsory internet connection required.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. If it is client server
Yes.
application through LAN, also we can access.
Yes.
If it is web
Okay.
application, compulsory internet connection required. Only this.
Should
Just
be
we
there.
should know only these. What is client server
Okay.
application? What is web application? More than enough. This is the basic
Okay.
concept. Very easy concept. Okay,
Okay.
that is
Yes. Yes, sir.
environment class. There are four types
Okay.
of environment: standalone environment, client server environment, web
Server environment.
environment, and a distributed environment.
Distributed environment. Yes.
Right.
Okay. Yes.
Next concept: software development models. Last concept in testing, that is software
Okay.
development models.
Okay.
Software development models. Software
Development
development.
models. Models. Yes.
Software development models. There are
Okay.
nearly six models. So that is
Okay.
software development models. I will teach you. First, before going to software development models, if you want to develop any project, any application, so we should follow
Yes.
HDLC phases. What are the
Okay.
HDLC phases? Initial phase,
Yes. Yes.
analysis phase, design phase,
Yes.
coding phase,
Development phase.
testing phase,
Testing phase.
delivery and maintenance phase.
CDA maintenance phase.
Delivery
Yes.
and
And maintenance phase.
delivery and maintenance phase.
Yes.
There are six phases: initial phase, analysis
Yes.
phase,
Phase.
design phase,
Analysis phase.
coding
Design
phase,
phase. Coding. Testing
testing
phase.
phase,
Design
delivery,
and
and maintenance phase. If you want to develop any application, first of all, we should implement these phases. We should implement these
yes.
phases.
This
Using these
phase.
phases, using this initial phase, first of all, they will take the customer requirements. Analysis phase, they will analyzing the customer requirements. And the design phase,
Okay.
they will divide the whole project into some modules. Coding
Models.
phase, they will develop the code. And the
Yes.
testing phase, we will do
Testing
the
phase.
testing. And the
Testing.
delivery and
Yes.
maintenance phase, we will install the application into the client environment. So
Yes.
wherever you
Yes.
go, if it is any software company, so
Okay.
we will implement these phases. We will implement these
Okay.
phases. That
This
is
phases.
software
Yes.
development life
Life
cycle,
cycle.
all the phases. Software
Okay.
development life cycle, all
Yes.
the phases we will implement, and we will develop the application and
Application.
deliver the application
Yes.
to the client environment. For example,
Yes.
madam, you know, uh, yeah, okay, are you married or single, madam?
Sir married.
Married. Okay. Do you know
Yes.
how to prepare chicken curry?
Sir, I'm vegetarian. Pure vegetarian.
Oh, so sad, really. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Mm, okay. Okay. Next. Mm, hmm, do you know mm, which one is better? Wait. I will. Mm, tell me how to prepare coffee.
Yes, coffee. First of all, we have to boil the milk.
Mm,
Then we have to put the sugar, and when the milk comes to the boiling, then we add the coffee.
mm.
Then we just brisk it properly. Then we just filter the coffee.
Okay.
So that's the steps.
Okay. You are doing like this. But some other people will do separately. They will follow
Suffer it.
other method.
Yes.
Another
Other
people
method.
will follow another method. So
Okay.
final output is coffee.
The same coffee. Okay. Yes.
But each and every person they will separate, they will follow some different method. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Different methods they will follow, but final output is
Okay.
same. Final output is same. In
Same.
real
Yes.
time software company also, each and every software
Okay.
company final output is quality product or
Qualities. Yes.
quality application.
Okay.
But
Yes.
they will follow different approach.
Different types.
They will
Yes.
follow
Yes.
different process.
Different.
They will follow
Yes.
different methods. Final output is
Okay.
same. Final output is
Same. Yes.
same. So
Same. Yes.
so whenever you are working with any software company, each and every software
Okay.
company they have unique method or they have unique procedure. They have unique
Okay.
model or unique
Okay.
approach.
Okay.
Using that
Yes.
approach, they will develop that particular application.
Yes.
Each and every company having unique approach, unique model, unique procedure.
Okay.
Okay, that is the
Okay.
reason. That is the reason. After course completion, we can keep the experience and we can try for software job. So each and
Okay.
every there is no common process for any
Okay.
project development. So if it is
Okay.
any project, they will follow different approaches. Each and every
Okay.
they will follow different approaches, different process, different methods. So that's the
Okay.
reason after course completion we have scope to keep the experience. Okay,
Okay.
that's the reason after
Yes.
course completion, number of people they are keeping experience and they are getting jobs. And after getting job also they are managing their jobs very easy. Why? Because
Okay.
there is no unique process. Okay,
Yes.
there is no
Okay. Yes.
unique process. Each and
Unique
every
process.
software
Yes.
company they are following
Has
their
their
own
own models.
unique
Yes.
process. So that's the reason.
Okay. Yes.
If you have 4 years experience, if you have 10 years
Okay.
experience, if you are change company, then once again the company people will give training
Okay.
once again. You have 10 years
Okay.
experience, you have 10 years experience,
Okay.
still they will give training. Why they will give training?
Okay.
Okay,
Because they have their own models. Yes.
yes. After
Yes.
getting the job, after taking to the
Okay.
before taking to the project, so once again they will give training. Sir, you have 10
Okay.
years experience, but you are worked in some other
Okay.
company. They followed
Yes.
different methods, different procedures.
Okay.
Today onwards,
Yes.
you follow this process. So once again
Okay.
they will give training and they will take into project. That is the process, madam.
Okay.
Wherever you go, if it is India, if it is
Okay.
Australia, if it is UK,
Okay.
wherever you go, once again they will
Okay.
give training, madam.
They will
Okay,
be trained.
each and every
Yes, sir.
software
Yes.
company they will follow, they are following one
Their
unique
own process.
procedure.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay. Yes, sir.
there is no common process.
A common process. Yes.
Right,
Yes.
wherever you go, if it is software company, they will implement all the phases: initial
Yeah.
phase, analysis phase,
Yes.
design phase, coding phase, testing phase, delivery and maintenance phase. So
Okay. Yes.
today I will teach you one phase. First two six phases in we have. One is water, first one, waterfall model.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
First model, waterfall model.
Waterfall model. Yes.
Waterfall model. This waterfall model, based on the customer requirement only, they will choose the models.
Okay. Yes.
Based on the customer
Customer
requirement only, they will
requirements.
choose the models. So
Okay.
when will software company people will choose this model? Whenever the customer
Okay.
having clear requirements, whenever customer having
Okay.
clear
Having
requirements,
clear requirements. Yes.
then they will choose this model, that is waterfall model. Whenever the customer
Okay.
having clear requirements,
Clear
what he
requirements.
wants,
Yes.
really if he say all the requirements, then
Okay.
they will choose this model, that is waterfall model.
Yes.
What is the
Yes.
advantages of waterfall model? It is a simple model. It is a simple
Okay.
model.
Simple model.
It
Yes.
is a low cost model.
Okay. Yes.
It is a less time taking model
Okay.
and less time taking model. Less time taking model. And it is project maintaining and
Okay. Yes.
monitoring, maintaining
Okay.
very easy.
Okay.
Project maintaining and monitoring very easy. That's the
Okay.
reason some of the companies
Yes.
they will follow this model, that is the waterfall model. When they will choose,
Okay.
whenever the customer having clear requirements, then
Clear
they will choose this
requirements.
model, that is the
Okay.
waterfall model.
Waterfall
It
model.
is a
Yes,
simple
sir.
model, it is a low cost model, it is a less
Model.
time
It
taking
is
model,
less time.
and the project
It's
maintaining and
monitoring.
monitoring very easy.
Very easy. Okay. Yes.
These are the main advantages. What are the drawbacks
Okay.
in waterfall model? Middle of the process,
Okay.
we cannot take the new
Okay.
requirements.
And
Middle of the
yes,
process, we cannot
we
take
did
the new requirement.
take the new requirements. Yes.
Cannot take the new requirement.
New requirements. Yes.
This is one of the drawback. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Yes.
if it is any model, they will implement the six phases. If it is any software company,
Okay.
any project, they will implement the six phases: initial phase,
Okay.
analysis phase, design phase, coding phase,
Then
testing
face
phase,
coding.
delivery and maintenance phase. And the first model is the waterfall model. Here also they are
Okay.
implementing six phases. But
Okay.
when they will choose this model, whenever the customer having clear requirements, then they
Requirements.
will choose this model.
Yes.
There are
Yes.
some advantages in waterfall model. It is a
So
simple
model
model.
is very same.
the low cost
Low.
model and a less time
Okay.
model.
Then
Monitoring,
and monitoring and maintaining is very
maintaining and
easy.
monitoring very easy. And what is the main
Okay.
disadvantage? Middle of the project we cannot take the new
We cannot
requirements.
take
Middle
new
of the project
requirements.
we
Yes.
cannot take the new requirements.
New
This is the drawback.
requirement. Yes.
The drawback.
Okay.
Right.
Yes.
Next model. Prototype model.
Okay.
Prototype model. Prototype model. Next model, prototype model.
Prototype model. Yes.
Whenever the customer having unclear requirements, then they will choose this model, that is prototype model. Whenever the customer having
Okay.
unclear requirements, he
Unclear
is not saying
requirements.
what he want clearly. So that's the reason that they will
Okay.
choose this model. What is the
Okay.
advantages of this model? Why they are choosing? So whenever the customer
Okay.
having unclear requirements, then they will choose this model. And
They
advantage
can
is
make the changes. Yes.
advantage is at any point of time they can change the customer requirement. At any point
Yes.
of time, at any
That time they can
point of time they can
any point
change
of
the
time.
at point of time they can change the
Okay.
requirements.
Yes.
They can change the requirements. So that
Requirements. Yes.
at any point of
Okay.
time they can change the customer
The
requirements.
requirements.
That's the reason
Okay.
they are choosing this model, prototype model.
Model.
Okay.
Yes.
Whenever the customer
Okay.
having unclear requirements, then they will choose this model, that is prototype model. Advantage is at any
Okay.
point of time they can change the
Then-
customer requirements. What is
Okay.
disadvantages? So it is not a complete model,
Okay. Yes.
and it is time taking model
Yes. This time.
and a costly model. Each and every time we are doing some changes, so it will be
Okay.
costly. Okay, time taking
Yes.
model, costly model. We can't say
Okay.
the deadlines.
Okay. Yes. And say the deadlines. Yes.
This is prototype model. Okay.
Okay.
It is not a
Yes.
complete model and a time taking model.
Yes.
Here also we are implementing 6 phases: initial phase, analysis phase,
Okay.
design phase, coding phase, testing phase, delivery and maintenance phase. And using these phases we are developing the application. So this is the prototype model. Whenever the customer having
Okay.
unclear requirements, then they will choose this model, that is prototype model.
Okay.
Advantage is
Okay.
any point at any point of time they can change
Point
the
of time.
customer requirements.
Requirements.
Disadvantage
Okay.
is it is not a complete model, time taking model,
Yes. Then
costly model. We can't say the deadline. Okay.
deadlines. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Right. Next model, evolutionary model.
Okay.
Next model, evolutionary model.
Evolutionary model.
It is very, very different model, evolutionary model. Whenever you are working with any software company, first we will divide
Okay.
the whole project into some modules.
Yes.
We will divide the whole project into some modules. Each and every module we will divide into some sub modules.
Yes.
Each and every sub module divided into build. They were developers will develop
Build.
build wise build.
Build device.
This is the
Yes.
first build.
Okay.
And first of all, we should know each and every project after project before delivering we will do user acceptance testing. Before delivering the application into client environment we will do user acceptance
User
testing.
acceptance testing.
Entire
Yes.
project we will do user acceptance testing. User acceptance
Okay.
testing means in front of the user
In
we will
front of the
perform
user, we
system
are
testing. We will
system.
perform
Yes.
system testing.
Just.
So
Yes.
here we will do each and every build user acceptance testing.
Okay.
That is the main difference.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
each and every
Okay.
build we will do user acceptance testing. So
Okay.
each and every build we will do user acceptance testing. So if it is user okay, then we will start the another build. Otherwise, once again we will need to do same build.
Okay.
So it is
Okay.
very, very difficult to maintain
Okay.
or manage. Why? Because every time he will
Okay.
say some objections, so, and we will do once again. We will rectify the problems. Once again, we need to do reconstruct,
Okay.
in the build. So
Okay.
evolutionary model is nothing but if it is any project, we will do user acceptance testing before releasing. So that is the total
Yes.
application we will do. But here each and every
Okay.
build we will do user acceptance testing.
Okay. Yes.
Here also we
Okay.
can say It is a disadvantage
Yes,
is time taking model.
time taking. Yes, costly also.
Time taking, costly,
Yes,
and we can't say the deadline also. Here also we can't say
deadlines.
the
Yes,
deadline. We can't say the
deadlines. Yes,
deadline.
deadlines. Yes.
It is very, very, very difficult model, madam. That is evolutionary model.
Okay.
Each
But
and every
yes,
build we are doing user acceptance.
user accepted test.
In
Yes.
project, we have nearly 100 number of bills will be there. So each and every build
Okay.
we need to do user acceptance testing.
Second
It
testing.
is very
Okay.
difficult. So it is time taking model,
Okay.
costing model. We can't say the
We
deadlines.
consider deadlines. Yes.
Next model. Next model. Next model. Next model. Fish model.
Okay.
Next model. Fish model. Spiral.
Okay.
Spiral model. Fish model and the spiral model.
Spiral.
Both are scientific models. Both are scientific models.
Scientific.
Both are scientific models. Both are scientific models.
Okay.
Example, rocket launching.
Okay.
Example, rocket launching. If it is application, if it is not working, then we can rectify the problem. Okay, some of the
Okay.
functionality, some of the button, some of the functionality it is not working. So then we will rectify. We can raise the defect to developers. They will rectify the problem, and once again we will do testing, and we will rectify the problem at any cost. So
Okay.
rocket launching. Here is no trials, madam. Rocket launching,
Okay.
here is no trials. If it is working or not, we
Okay.
don't know. So once if you apply, then it will go up. So there is no
Okay.
trials. It is highly risk
Okay.
based model. It is highly
Okay.
risk based
Yeah.
model. So highly risk
Okay.
based model. So none of the Indian companies not encouraging this model. So there is fish model and spiral model. Why? Because it is a
Okay.
highly risk based model.
That
If
is
it
a
is one
scheme model. Yes.
rocket launching, it will nearly take. They will keep nearly crores of rupees. They will keep
Okay.
crores of rupees. So that's the
Okay.
reason none of the people, none of the companies not using this models, fish model and spiral model. Why? Because it is a
Okay.
scientific model, so and it is
Mm.
very dangerous models. It is a highly risky
Okay.
models.
Risky models. Yes.
Yes. Here main drawbacks we can guess it to time taking model and costly,
Okay.
highly risky based model.
Highly risky models.
Okay, fish model, spiral model, both are scientific models.
High.
For example, rocket launching, there is no trials. Once you apply, then
Okay.
so we can't. There is no trials. So it is
Trials.
very
Yes.
costly and it is very highly risk-based model and time-taking model.
Okay. Yes.
Next model, next model, V model.
Okay. Yes.
Next model, V model.
V model.
Why we are saying V model? Here also we are implementing six phases: initial phase, analysis phase, design phase, coding phase, testing
Yes.
phase, delivery and maintenance phase. So here also
Okay.
we are implementing six phases. Okay, using these six phases we will develop the application. But here next model is V model. Here also we are implementing six phases. Madam. Initial phase, analysis phase, design
Okay.
phase, coding phase, testing phase, delivery and maintenance phase. In this V model, why we are saying we here we will do verification and validations. We will do
Okay.
verification,
Verification and validations.
verification and validation.
Okay.
We will do verification and validation. What do you mean by verification? Whenever the project is developing, okay, whenever the project
Okay.
is developing, based on the customer requirements, based on the company expectations, each and every role is working, and each and every phase output document is properly coming or not, they will do testing. That is called verification.
Okay. Verification. Yes.
Okay, in the process,
Yes.
middle of the process only they will check each and every role based on the company, based on the organization they are working or they are working or not, and each and every phase output document is properly coming or not. They will do testing. That is called verification.
Okay. Verification. Yes.
Validation. Next, validations. Validations. Validations is nothing but after developing the application, once again they will do testing based on the customer requirements, based on the company requirement, that application is properly developed or not, that product is developed or not. Once again
Okay.
they will do testing, that is called validation.
Validation. Okay.
So we are
Okay.
doing
Yes.
twice testing. One is verification,
Yes.
other
Yes.
one is
Verification.
validation. So we are doing
Validation.
twice.
Yes.
So then we can get nearly 90 plus application should be
Okay.
quality.
Call. Yes.
90% we can say application should be
Variations.
quality. This is
Quality.
V model. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Recently introduced one model, that is Agile model.
Okay. Yes. Agile model.
Agile model. What is Agile
Yes.
model? Why most of the people nowadays they are choosing? So Agile model is different. Okay. It is a
Okay.
different model.
Yes.
So
Okay.
customer is the customer.
Okay.
He is the company people.
Okay.
He is the developer. He is the tester.
Okay. Okay.
This is customer.
Okay.
This is company.
Okay.
Company people.
Okay.
This is developers.
Yes.
This is tester.
Okay.
They will sit in one environment. They will sit in one environment.
Okay.
First of all,
Yes.
customer tell one build.
Okay. With the
Customer tell one requirements. First build requirements.
Okay.
So they will give to developers.
Yes.
Developer will develop that particular build.
Okay.
Then testers will develop that. Testers will test that build.
Teacher.
Then
Okay.
he will show to customer.
Okay.
If customer satisfied, then once again the customer will release next bill. Next, they will. He will say next bill
Okay.
requirements. Then he
Okay.
will give to developers. Once again, they
Okay.
will test. Test engineers will test that build. He will
Okay.
show the customer. If it is customer satisfied, then
Okay.
once again they will. He will tell you another build requirements. So
Okay.
they, all the people they will sit in only single environment and they can do this process. So that is agile
Okay.
model. Whenever you are comparing with
Okay.
the other model, just if it is other model, it will take 20 days.
Okay.
It
Yes.
will take only 10 days.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Yes.
process will be super fast.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
that's the reason some of the companies, not India,
Okay. There.
some of the companies, US based companies, they are using agile model. Okay,
Yes.
whenever comparing
Okay.
with other model, we can complete that work, particular work very easy and fast.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
these are the
Yes.
models, madam, very very important too. So whenever you
Okay.
are working with any software company, each and every software company, they will follow unique model. So none of the models
Okay.
that the software company may follow or
Okay.
not, we can't say. So based on the company,
Okay.
each and every company they have unique procedure, they will follow
Yes.
that procedure. If it is V or Vishu waterfall, we don't know. Okay,
Okay. Yes.
these
Yes.
are the software development models. Okay, manual testing is
Yes.
finished, and tomorrow,
Okay.
not tomorrow, Monday onwards, our time is
Okay.
same 8:30 or 9 o'clock. Just make it 9 o'clock. Monday onwards
Okay.
we have class. That means your Sunday night. I think okay.
Yes.
India time Monday morning 9 o'clock we have Selenium class. Okay, madam.
Okay.
And I
Yes,
got
sir.
the money
Yes.
also, madam. Okay, thank you.
Yes.
And tomorrow
Okay, sir.
we don't have any class. Day
Okay.
after tomorrow also we don't
Okay.
have any class. Monday morning we have class with Selenium class. Along with you,
Okay.
some people will add you.
Okay.
So we can't say who will add to this batch, and we can't say just
Okay.
Monday
Okay.
we have class once again, ma. Monday we have class
Okay.
Selenium class. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay,
Thank
sir,
you.
can I have the interview questions for the manual testing means
Yeah,
I
sure,
can
madam. I will
read
send.
and
I will send you
prepare both
each and
sides?
everything. I will send you now.
Okay.
Okay, madam. Okay.
Okay,
Have a
sir.
nice day.
Okay.
Take care, madam. Bye, madam. Happy
Bye, sir.
weekend.
Thank
Good
you.
night, ma. Bye, ma.